Now I'm little bit explain. Then even we have Buddha nature where we are in the samsara. So there is a different two schools, not two school, two yana, a causal yana and resultant yana. Also we can say paramita yana and mahayana, paramita yana and vajrayana. With regard to causal yana or paramita yana, all sentient being has Buddha nature. According to vajrayana, we are Buddha. All sentient beings are Buddha. First I talk on the paramita yana. So we have Buddha nature. This beautiful, this Buddha nature has all the qualities. So now this Buddha nature remain as a dormant seed like hidden in our true obscurations. True obscuration. The first obscuration means obscuration of defilement. Second obscuration means obscuration of the cognitive of knowledge. Anyway, in English it's difficult to understand. In Tibetan we said Nyomongi Dipa, Shije Dipa. The first obscuration is main obstacle to become Bodhisattva, to obtain the Pasabhumi. The second obscuration is the main obstacle to become Buddha. It's like, two glassy boxes. One is not so much colorful, very clear, little bit clearer. The outer box is, multiple color and little bit, cannot see outside clearly. Okay, then how remain the Buddha nature in our mind? The Buddha nature remain like, seed, any seed, barley seed, like apple seed, like orange seed, any seed we put in the two boxes. If you this seed, barley seed, put in the two boxes, then, but this seed has, potential to grow, to bear lot of barley, but now temporary. This seed remain in two boxes. So now temporary no chance. Because if this seed come out of two boxes, then meet cause and condition like salt and sun shining and water and four elements, so forth, so on. Then without obstacle, then this seed definitely grow. Then until these two boxes broken, the seed no chance to grow. In the same way, now our Buddha nature remain in true obscurations. So our Buddha nature is very fresh, very transcendent, not transcendent, is transparent, is clarity, is emptiness, in awareness, but remain into obscuration. Through the way, practicing and we doing meditation, we doing reciting mantra, we transforming slowly, constantly our mind, then slowly reduce ours to obscuration. Then get rid of finally uproot it, eradicate the true obscuration, then your innate nature come out. Then we say, we become Buddha. This is a, Buddha nature, how remain within our mind according to Paramita Yana. Now I am talking on Vajrayana. With regard to Vajrayana, we are Buddha. This is a resultant, resultant yana, Vajrayana is. Then, why we are Buddha? Because we are now samsara being. Why we are Buddha? So, of course, we are Buddha. We are Buddha. Reason is our mind, reality, entity, nature is Buddha. But now, temporary, our mind working from the based on like emotional level, our concept level, not based on this your, Buddha nature. That's why only we see in our mind reflection. So this way our mind is now our mind is deluded mind. That's why we see illusory world. First, I give you an example. Through the example, we easily to understand the Buddha nature or Buddha. We are Buddha according to Vajrayana. This example is ocean. Oceans, the bottom of the ocean, bottom of the ocean is always very stable, very calm, very clear. The water's nature is very clear, but the surface of the ocean is not stable always, all the time. But this surface ocean, depends on the condition, outside condition, weather, cloud, and sun, and this way, when the outside condition changing, then ocean is changed. Sometimes oceans become very peaceful and very clear and beautiful. Sometimes ocean's color is become dark and sometimes blue, sometimes green. Sometimes oceans makes too much noisy and fluctuating and waving. So surface ocean sometimes looks, dangerous, not good, sometimes beautiful. But even if oceans changing colors and fluctuating, so whatsoever happens, ocean's nature is water. Water never ever change. Even change color, even change shape, even change sound. The nature is water. Water never ever change. In the same way, our emotional level, our mind change always. Sometimes we get angry, sometimes we too much excited, sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are calm, sometimes we are, like sort of romantics. Our emotional level always change. It's like ocean's surface. But as much as changing our emotion's nature is Buddha, because our emotion is part of our mind. Your mind nature is never ever change. only changing your surface level. So, now we cannot see the reality, the nature of our mind. Reason is, long times we getting used to with the illusory world. Our mind is diluted by illusory world. So we have strong, bad or good habitual tendency. That's why we cannot see reality.